Hey everybody, it's David. Welcome from Kasab, Oman. Just an absolutely lovely place. We're out on a boat today that's called a dhow. Let me spin around here and you can see what that is. It's a traditional mode of transportation. Obviously today they're motorized versus the way that they've been in the past. But we're here in what are called the Omani fjords. And so we've been going back from the Arabian Sea, the Arabian Gulf, and so just a lovely place. Oman has been very surprising for me. It's a great location. It borders the United Arab Emirates on the northwest. It borders Saudi Arabia on the west, borders Yemen on kind of the southwest. And it's the place where you hear the Strait of Hormuz. So a very strategic location as it relates to shipping of petroleum and other areas. It shares a sea border with Iran and Pakistan. Last night we were within, I guess 10 miles of Iran. And so just a great location. One of the things I wanted to do just today was talk about problem solving for this class. And problem solving just doesn't have to do with traditional business. I mean, you think about the countries here in the Gulf and some of the things that they have to do in order to just continue forward. We always think about them having a tremendous amount of oil reserves, which they do. However, many of the countries over here have realized, sorry for the camera shake by the way, many of the countries over here have realized that they're going to have to do some other things other than just have oil reserves. So tourism is a nice add-on for them. You think about oil. You think about if they do have a tremendous amount of reserves, it still costs them something to explore for it, to get it out of the ground, to refine it, and then to distribute it. And if the cost to do all of that is greater than the cost that they can get on the open market, then obviously they're not making money. And so over the last couple of years, last 2-3 years, as you've seen the price of oil go down the way that it has been, they're actually losing money for every barrel of oil they take out of the ground. And many of the countries you read need $70, $80, $90 per barrel of oil, but it's been in the 40s, and now I think it's in the low 50s. And so the challenge is, in order to maintain economies and other types of things, they need to find other ways of going about it. And so Oman, certainly United Arab Emirates with Dubai and Abu Dhabi have focused a whole lot on tourism. And so they've opened up a lot of the scenic beauty here. One of the things that I've seen here about Oman is the topography is certainly different than you would expect to see and that I've seen in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. It's flat desert in a lot of those areas, and here in Oman, mountains and fjords and other things. So problem solving has to happen regardless of where you are, and it seems like these countries have begun to realize that they need to open up a bit in order to maintain some standard of living going forward. So let me spin around here a little bit more. Oh, by the way, this little island behind me is called Telegraph Island. And Telegraph Island is where the British laid a communication cable across to different areas of Asia and then down to India several years ago. And so kind of an interesting spot here as well. All right, I just want to show you where I am this week. Hope you're getting off to a good start in the class. I'll be home in about a week, but again, if you need me, you know how to contact me. I look forward to chatting with you. Take care. Bye.